Singapore is a bustling financial and trading hub. Businesses will constantly grow because of our connectivity. In anything that you do, there is business involved. Like your purchasing, how do you price your item? Who are the customers? What are the needs analysis? Value creation? I believe there's a growing demand for business students in Singapore because critical thinking becomes an essential skills. So you need negotiation, you need problem solving, you need people to know how to build up sandboxes, to implement designs, implement budgets, and business students are well equipped in all these areas.
In Singapore Poly, in the School of Business, we're very student-focused and industry-focused as well. The school believes in equipping the students with life skills, we call it the self-mastery, so that they can prepare themselves when they meet real clients. We have very interesting activities and projects like Project Discovery, Project Expedition, as well as ASEAN Connect. So these projects allow students to come together, hone their leadership skills, entrepreneurial mindset, as well as it takes them beyond the shores of Singapore.
SP helped me to kickstart my career with its very strong and recognizable diploma. It also helped me to build very strong connection with people from different diploma, people from different companies even during my internship days. And most importantly, it actually provided me with both hard skills and soft skills for me to propel forward into my career today. Singapore Poly will definitely provide you with the knowledge, skills and ability to take on any new challenges ahead.